The murder of Mrs. Andrea Lowe Garwood while at prayer in a church in the middle of the day signals the impunity that criminals feel that they can operate with. It comes after a series of disturbing events. 24 persons murdered in one weekend. The vicious attacks on the homeless persons resulting in a number of fatalities, all in one night in a capital city under curfew. The crash of the narcotic smuggling plane in Rocky Point. A week later, the pilots and the cargo seem to have disappeared without a trace. It all leads to a loss of confidence in the security forces and gives people a sense of fear and insecurity as they go about their daily business. The Prime Minister campaigned and came to office on a promise that he could fix this. He needs to come to the country, give an account for the non-performance of his government in this area. And he also needs to come with some new measures that will begin to reassure people and begin to reassure persons in their homes. Even though they may not be able to sleep with their windows and doors open, at least they should be able to sleep behind their burglar bars. Or they should feel that they can go to the sanctuary of a church and pray in relative safety. The Prime Minister's silence on this matter is inexcusable. That is what he came to office on, the back of his promises to fix crime. And he must come to the country and make a full statement on what the new measures are. The one-trick pony approach that he has taken of the states of emergency has proven to be a failure. The number of murders in January, as disturbing as they are not materially different from the number of murders last January when there was a state of emergency. It's an unconstitutional measure, it has been a failure, and now he needs to turn the focus and attention of the government on new measures that will be more effective.